These are my 3 secret chinchin recipe that I use for special occasions. So you want to save this recipe. You're so lucky to come across this video. For my extra rich chinchin recipe, we are using 1 kg of flour for all 3. You will need 100 grams of butter and sugar respectively. Baking powder 1 teaspoon, condensed milk 1/2 cup, salt 1/2 teaspoon, evaporated milk 2 cups, eggs 2 large size, nutmeg 1 teaspoon, milk flavor 2 tablespoons, powdered milk 1/2 cup. You can decide to use either your milk flavor or your nutmeg. Now you're not adding water to this chinchin recipe. The quantity of your condensed milk and evaporated milk is enough to get your chinchin together. So take note of that. And for this recipe, we are using 1 kg of flour. You're going to be frying with 1 liter of oil. For your egg yolk chinchin recipe, you need 1 kg of flour. Margarine, I prefer margarine to butter, 120 grams. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 100 grams. Sugar, 100 grams or 1/2 cup. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Evaporated milk, 2 cups. Egg yolk, you're using 4 egg yolks. It's egg yolk chinchin, so you're not using your egg whites. Nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. Milk flavor, 2 tablespoons. Powdered milk, 8 tablespoons. Corn flour, 8 tablespoons. When you add corn flour and your egg yolk to your chinchin will be tasting like cookies. Guys, try it out. Come back and thank me. Save up this recipe for your next celebration. For your eggless chinchin recipe, if you are somebody that is allergic to egg, you need 100 grams of butter and sugar respectively. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Condensed milk 1 cup. Sugar 100 grams. Salt 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon, depending on how effective your salt is. Evaporated milk 2 cups. Nutmeg 1 teaspoon. Milk flavor 2 tablespoons. Powdered milk 1/2 cup. Then the vegetable oil for frying 1 liter of oil. That is for that. I prefer you use margarine to butter it better. You can go for margarine. Your chinchin recipe will come out better and you will love it. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe and save these chinchin recipes for your next celebration. Your family will love it. See you next time. God bless you.